Welcome back to Dante's Racing Guide. Today we're going to be making this Hot Wheels video, and we're going to be looking at heaps of really cool Hot Wheels that I've got in the past, and also 2 new cars from 2021. Okay, so let's open the new cars. So first we have the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. This car is really cool. It's a race car, and it's a Bentley. It looks really cool. Let's unbox this car. So yeah, we got a Bentley. It's a little bit matte actually, and it's got green, black wheels, a nice spoiler that I really like, and yeah, this is a car that we opened up. Let's go to our second car we're going to be opening. This is the 1968 Mercury Cuda. Now, this car looks like a really cool muscle car, and it's from the Hot Wheels Flames. So, I guess this car will be pretty cool. So let's unbox this car. Oh, this car's hard to open. So yeah, this is so cool. I like the flames. It just looks so sick. And the bottom's nice and shiny. And yeah, this is a really cool muscle car. So we'll just put our 2 new cars away, and we're going to go to some cars from the past and also now. So we got, you might be wondering, why am I holding a Ford that looks like a blue choo-choo train with gold wheels? Well, this is actually a Fast and the Furious car, and it actually is pretty good at driving on the table because it actually is a little bit fast. It has rubber wheels. It's got completely metal on the bottom. And yeah, this looks like a really cool. And I think the number plate on this car is YLV7J. I choose a weird number for a number plate. And then we got this Aston Martin 177, I think it is. Is this 177? Yes, it is. And it's red and it's got a white stripe. The wheels are a little bit scratched, but that doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is that it's a really cool Hot Wheels. It got this. This is a Land Rover. Yep, it's a 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. You can see this is from the Forza Motorsport set, I think. Yes, the Forza Motorsport set. And I really like it. I think I've got the full set of it, but I just picked this one because this one's actually one of my favorite from the set. And yeah, this is a fabulous off-road car. Now we're going to one of the 2020 cars. This is the Ford Mustang Shelby, I think. Yes, I think it's right. Yes, it is. It's a GT500. Now, this car is so cool. I like the blue and the white stripe. It doesn't have like the paint at the front for the lights and stuff, and also the back, but it still looks amazing. And now we've got another Mustang. I'm not really sure what Mustang this is. I might check. This is a custom 2012 Ford Mustang, I think, and it is very fast. I have tested it before and it is pretty fast. I really like it because of like the spoiler, and this thing is so cool. And we got this Nissan. It's got rubber tires, and I think this one's also Fast and the Furious. And it's a Nissan Skyline GTR R32, and I like it because it's like shaped as a normal car, but it's actually a sports car. Now we got a hypercar, which is this is a Ford GT. Yep, it's 2017 Ford GT. This one's also rubber tires, and I like it because like the spoiler is it's just like connected to this part. It's really hard to explain, and it looks really cool. Now we got 2 cars left. So the first car we got is this like gold Hot Wheels, and I don't really know what car this is though. I can try reading what car it is. Okay, I can't read that. And it looks so cool. And I like it because it's gold and it's got the purple. And it looks really cool. And we got a Corvette Stingray. This one's from one of the mystery minis. And, there's some minis, but anyway, it looks really, really cool. And it's a convertible, which is what I like about it. And it's a supercar. Now, those were all my cars that I wanted to show you. And I hope you give me a like and subscribe. Bye.